Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead mini is the Plymouth Hound from the Dead West set. They were black and white zenithally primed, and to get started I used dark sea green to go over the longer parts of the fur and the tail. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, while the darker grey is still wet, I grabbed medium sea grey and wet blended them into a few places on the longer fur. This has a bit more variation than just a highlight. I think it gives fur a little bit of a better look as it's a bit more random. Getting the remaining parts base coated now, I used reddish grey over everything else except the exposed muscles. For a highlight on the light fur now, I went around with warm grey to bring up the tops of the areas that would be getting hit by the light. You can of course dry brush this on as I have done in previous abominations, but I felt this is a little bit something different and I wanted to try something a bit more. With the fur finished, I use smoke black now to go over the claws and the nose. Getting the parts of exposed muscle started now, I went over these areas with a base coat of Hull Red. While I wait for the red to dry, I use Skeleton Legion for the teeth and the eyes, along with a small highlight on the claws. Finishing off the exposed muscle now, I use the Gory Red to bring up the edges and the parts that get hit by the light. For the base, as with all my current Zombicide minis, I went with Plague Brown. Adding a wash to the mini, I thinned down some Oblivion black wash just to stop it staining too much and went over everything. The base now gets some sandy desert texture added to it. Finishing up, I threw on some Vampire Thirst on a few random parts. And that will be it for the Plymouth Hound. I think I prefer doing fur this way over the dry brushing style, but that could just mean I need some more practice with dry brushing, so I probably will try again with dry brushing just to try and get a decent effect. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.